Did you know that you can turn everyday milk into a form of plastic? Yes, you heard that right. This simple DIY science hack is not only fascinating but also a great way to understand the chemistry behind plastics. To get started, you'll need some basic ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. First, grab a cup of milk. Any type of milk will do, but whole milk works best because of its higher fat content. Next, pour the milk into a pot and place it on the stove. Heat it on low heat. Be careful not to let it boil, as boiling can ruin the process. While the milk is heating, prepare your vinegar. You'll need about 4 tablespoons of vinegar for this experiment. Once the milk is warm, slowly add the vinegar while stirring gently. You'll notice the milk starting to curdle almost immediately. This is the chemical reaction we're looking for. The vinegar causes the casein protein in the milk to separate from the liquid, forming curds. These curds are what we will use to make our plastic. Keep stirring gently until you see that the milk has fully curdled. This should take just a few minutes. Once you have a pot full of curds and whey, it's time to strain out the liquid. Use a sieve or cheesecloth to separate the curds from the whey. Make sure to press out as much liquid as possible to get a firm base for your plastic. Now that you have your curds, this is your plastic base. You can press these curds into any mold you like. Get creative with shapes and designs. After pressing the curds into a mold, let it dry completely. This could take a few days depending on the size and thickness of your mold. Once dried, you'll have a solid piece of homemade plastic. You can paint it, carve it, or use it as is. The possibilities are endless. Science is amazing, isn't it? This simple experiment shows how everyday items can be transformed through chemistry. So why not give it a try at home? It's a fun and educational activity for all ages. See for yourself how you can turn milk into plastic.